In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to download and install Cursor AI on your device. So let's get started. So if you're in Linux, Mac, or Windows, it doesn't matter, basically the same thing. You need to go here into your browser, go into google.com, and just simply go search for Cursor AI download. And then you should now be able to see it here, the Cursor, the AI code editor. So this is where you'd want to go, or click here on downloads directly. And from here, you'd now be able to see the latest version. So you just simply want to select the operating system that you're using. In my case, I am in Windows 10 or 11 or the 64-bit right here. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click here on the download, and it will now download. Now, all I have to do now is to just wait for this to finish downloading. And then after that, I will need to open the file to finally install Cursor AI into my system. So it's downloaded. Now I'm going to open this by opening this by double clicking on it. And then from here, you should now be able to see the setup just like this. Now in here, you just simply need to click here on I accept the agreement, click on X. And from here, you can now choose where you'd want to install this on your system. So I'm just fine with the default one. I'm going to click on next. And from here, you can just go for yes. And now you can now click on yes or next right here. Next is that you have these options. You can create a desktop icon, or you can open with cursor and so on right here. But in my case, I'm fine with the default options. I just want to create a desktop icon in here and click on next. After that, click on install. And now all you have to do is to wait for it to finish installing on your computer. And then after that, you should now be able to use it by signing in with your Cursor account. So as you can see, the process is very fast depending on your PC specs. All right, so here it is. We have now successfully completed the installation of Cursor into our system. So now you want to launch Cursor by ticking this box and click on finish, and then it will now open up. So just give it a moment to boot up. And here it is. It has now opened, and now from here, it would now need us to click here on continue. And then as you can see, we can now use it right here. So as you can see, I am currently with the Go Unlimited plan, which is the free version. And then from here, you could go into the settings here on the top right. And now you can see your account and what account you're currently signed in with. You could also manage or log out if you want to sign into a different account. So yeah, that's it on how you could install Cursor AI into your system. Thank you for watching.